Hi, see you here. This August 7th through the 9th, I'm bringing a blend of movement and mindset. Every morning, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I'll be hosting joyful yoga designed for the hypnotist. It's your space to experience blissful play, build centering skills, and immerse yourself in a relaxing sound bath to find pure peace that will carry you through the convention and beyond. Then on Saturday at 12 noon, I invite you to explore a powerful question. Is aging about time, or is it mind over matter? In my presentation, The Fountain of Youth is Within You, you will find out those answers. You will be given the keys to unlock the secrets to youthful vigor, boundless energy, strength, and endless wonder by reconnecting with your inner child. 4 opportunities to connect, breathe, and transform. I can't wait to see you there. Peace, always and in all ways. Namaste.